Na funwa na musibu.
Enare mwe. Enare mju.
Musu.
Thank you for supporting NRM government.
Kapini wa itada ni ya baba wa kidini wa kan para wa chini wa ngwita. Ana karkini ni chan, ana pilwa na kwa na chala, ana karupinu kwa ngwani, ina chalo wikini porkan, ana kachilu kwan, ana para wikini mo, ana monipa, ana karkini mo, wikini achilu wayo, NRM.
Mzee kwa bade gani waka.
Unasua eli yupi.
I want to tell you something, that those boys, I'm going to work on them. Another thing, we are going to pay houses, midwives, and we are going to construct this road from Karuma to Guru, Karuma to Arua, Karuma to Nakasongora. We are going to finish those roads.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wizo
Mosirise.
Kamiliyo anamula wizo awalana kamiliyo yayomba naye talina maanyi alasa akubirawo ladies and gentlemen basaba banyabo isawa soserezemu yaba magugu yaba
tweyagemu ko TV tebomanya ku BBS Tuli Live TV ya Kabaka Star TV Tuli Live
UBC tubabanja
Spark TV Tuli
Live
NBS Tuli Live Ukebe TV Tuli Live Baba TV Tuli Live na TV ya nini Tuli Live
ekitagene black amakolako ale kubaba TV abasabulo muziki akala ladies and gentlemen esawa sose ndio zamani ready
ready twatwabazema mukalisa webale nnyo ekyokoze kyetushamanyi nnyo tumanyi tono omwana keizi akola olugambo kyayinza okusomako nabeerako obutonki omanyi mutoba mubi naye nga toli mubi just yala okusegeera kubanga keizi yatundanga new vision waleka mwoca
n'abaana agenda nayingira
obusasi kati presenter
era ku TV gyasooka osakako yaleeta eggulire bagero liteekayo galisoma birala soma amawulire
President Museveni abaddeko eggulu eyo era nga ayogerera abantu abagambye nti omwaka luno ajja kukola ebintu bingi nnyo. Omusasi waffe Keizi abaddeyo era nga tulibawe wemukeredde ng'ebigere biyirankanye omusezi yabadde atabala ekyalo ng'akwatiddwamu era betwogerera ab'ekyalo beebuuze ne bamukwata ne bamuba mizibu lwamukedde TV nsigadde Keizi baagoberawo betunda mukusonyiwa olw'eggulire nekirala twebaza mwami Kalisa kuba ebintu bino yabimalawo mwami Kalisa ebintu abitadde ku level ya waggulu ate TV z'ebibanga tuzeebaza kuba ebintu bizitadde ku level ki luli edda TV etta zaalina zikola ebirala nnyo okitegeera nga zi CNN BBC simanya biki katugeze tuli ku CNN abazungu ng'oli eri bamuyita correspondent abeera eri katugeze ali mu field nze ngasoma Let's gentlemen welcome in CNN, everybody's in Washington. Donald Trump was having up to Biden, and the powers in the New York State in the COVID-19. And Paul's in the correspondent, Michael Jordan says something.
Yes, all of the line, they don't have to look at CNN. They say, look, America says America is working. I know that. I don't call you. But it's not that point.
I'm going to tell you about Mamini. Or the other side, they're in the studio. Yeah.
Therefore, the Prime Minister is on the water.
The other part of what said, thank you so much, the God's friend, and you said, Sambra. Yes, but somebody when you are talking about the Kampala, the also but Shaburan, the Sanyo, Obsessive affair, tubulira ticha yali mukapala wakati atubulira okwekalakasa kwingiriro kya ticha kyokka nga batulaga babiri naye nga ticha bamuyisira ticha okay, musajja waffe ticha